Hello, and welcome to Item Tutorials. In this segment, we'll show you how to efficiently complete a replenishment task from start to finish. As a warehouse worker, you'll receive a replenishment task. Open the replenishment task list and select the task you want to work on. This will take you to the task homepage. Press the Start Replenishment button to begin the task. Step 1 will collect inventory. First, go to the suggested location. Scan the location and then the pallet. If you're required to scan a serial number or SN, do so before proceeding to the next step. Next, input the quantity for the item. Press the Collect button to finish collecting the inventory. Tap Close Step. Now go to Step 2 in order to drop the inventory. Once the inventory is ready to be dropped, go to the suggested drop location. Scan the location and press the Drop button to drop. Then go back to the task homepage and close the task. Now the task is finished. Congratulations and thank you for watching Item Tutorials.